Hi friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio and today I am going to discuss about camera angle here, and it will go this upper part here. You can see this is the camera, and if you click you can see this is the previous stage of your model, and this is, you can click to your next stage of model like in other softwares. And this is the important, this is the standard views. If you go to this standard view, there are some arrows and there are some top, bottom, front, back, left, right, and ISO. So if you want your top plan of your top view of your model, you will click here top, and you can see this is the top view of your 3D model. And again, if you go to standard views, and if you want bottom views, you can click bottom, and if you want front, you can click front here, and you will get front view of your 3D model. And again, if you go to this left side view, back side view, and if you want left side view, you can click left. And if you want your isometric view, you can click ISO, and you will get isometric view of your 3D model, which is as 30 degrees. So next is this parallel projection. If you want parallel projection, you will click this is now in perspective mode. If you want parallel projection, you will click here, and you will get parallel projection of your 3D model. Again, if you want to go to your perspective, you will click here, and if you want 2-point perspective view, you will click here. You will get 2-point perspective view of your 3D model. So it's quite easy. And if you want to again go to perspective, you will click here perspective. Next is will come here match new photo in advanced tutorial of SketchUp. I am going to orbit this model, and shortcut command is O. You will click O in your laptop. You will get this orbit command, and I'm going to click O here on my keyboard, and this is the orbit command here. You can also find orbit command in your this last tool sets. You can see this is the orbit. So you can orbit around your 3D model quite easily, and also you can get information about orbit tool here also. This is the default tray which is available in your window, and it is not available in Mac. So you can see here orbit tool, you can get information like click and drag cursor. So likewise you can learn your SketchUp here. So next is pan. If you want pan, you have to enter shortcut command H, and you can pan your model. And you can also get information here, pan tool, move camera vertically or horizontally. So this tutorial is for beginners in SketchUp and those who have not used SketchUp before. So I'm going to again to my camera, and this is zoom. You can zoom by typing Z on your keyboard, and you can zoom your model here, and you can get information here. So next command is field of view. So field of view is depth of view. If you can see here, up is for decrease the field of view. So taking this to upwards, this lens is decreasing the field of view, and if I am bringing it down, you can see it is increasing the field of view. And if you shift, it will zoom, and likewise. So next is zoom window. So if you want to zoom any part of your model, you can from right to left, you can drag this and it will zoom. Again, if you want to zoom extent, you can click this model, or you can press Ctrl Shift E. So now this is the position camera. So you can position your camera by using this command, or you can also use this one, this I shape, and you can position your this human shape here, and you can position your camera. Suppose I want to position here, and you can adjust your scene, and you can also adjust the camera. Look around tool. This is the look around, and this is the position camera. So likewise you can learn slowly. This is for walkthrough. This is for walkthrough, walk around, and you can also get information walk forward. If you drag the cursor up and if you press shift, it will float. So I am pressing shift and it's floating. So this was the basic information about camera tool here, and we will discuss some more tools in the upcoming tutorial. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.